Good morning, dear students. Today, again, I am going to tell you a story about jinn. Jinn is one kind of object which looks like man, but this kind of object, this kind of thing has some magical powers. By the magical powers, he can do anything. So here one story is given. The name of the story is The Dog's Tale. So in this story there is a farmer. The farmer is very lazy. The farmer didn't want to work. He always thought to sleep. So often he thought about jinn, which could do his all works. So in this way, one day a jinn heard that. The jinn heard the wish of the farmer, and the jinn appeared. The jinn came in front of the farmer and told him that, "Master, I have come here to do your all works. Whatever work you give me, I will complete that work." The farmer was very happy. He thought that he could give him to do work and he could sleep the whole day. But there was a condition. On one condition, the jinn would do his work. The jinn would take no wages. Wages means price or any money from the farmer. But if the farmer had no work to give him, the jinn would kill him and eat his flesh, his meat. That was the condition. The farmer thought in his mind, the farmer would give him so many work to do, and the genie could not finish the all. So you can think that the farmer was wrong. How he was wrong? He thought that the jinn could not finish all the work of the farmer, but the jinn complete all works in very short time. So the jinn asked his master for the first task. Task means work, first work. At first the farmer ordered the jinn to dig a well, dig a deep well. The farmer thought that the jinn would take so much time to finish it, and he started to sleep. He just started to sleep on the bed. After some time, the jinn came back. The jinn told that he had finished the work. He had dug the well. The farmer was surprised. How could it be possible? With a very short time, how he could complete the work? The farmer was in a little anger. The jinn again asked for the second work. The farmer was confused. What work would be given to the jinn? Then the farmer told him that you go and make a bungalow for me. Bungalow means a big house where there should be 5 floors. First, there should be 5 stairs, and make meal, make food for the whole village. The genie was ready, and he went away. Now the farmer thought again in his mind that now the jinn would take so much time to finish it. But the farmer was wrong. Then the farmer thought to sleep. Again he slept on the bed. After less than half an hour, the jinn appeared in front of him. and told that he had built a house for him and he had prepared food for the whole village. Now the farmer was in fear. He was afraid. The farmer knew that if he had no work for the jinn would kill him. Now he was in fear. He thought what he would do. At that time, he thought for a person. In his village, there was a schoolmaster. He had only one hope to get any solution by which he could get free from the jinn. And he went to the schoolmaster. He told the whole story about jinn to the schoolmaster. The schoolmaster gave him a dog. The farmer was thinking why the schoolmaster gave him a dog. The schoolmaster gave a dog to the farmer and told him that you give this dog to the jinn and tell him to make its tail straight. And you know that it is totally impossible to make the dog's tail straight. Then the farmer came back to home and gave the dog to the jinn and ordered him to make the dog's tail straight, and it was impossible. But the jinn thought the master gave him so easy work to do, and he thought that after finishing this work the farmer had no work to give him and he would kill the farmer and eat his flesh. And the jinn started to make the dog's tail straight. Every time he made the dog's tail straight, but after some time again it becomes bent, it crawled. The jinn tried for so many times to make the dog's tail straight, but he couldn't. He was totally sweat. He was tired by doing this work. And finally he thought that he couldn't make the dog's tail straight and ran away from the farmer's home. This is the story of the jinn. I think you have got some ideas about the story. Thank you.